poorest districts of Karnataka, as well as in Hoskote, which is teaching mathematics, have been able to teach. Kids are now learning. We'd like to share with you a very brief demo in terms of what's happening. I have my colleague in Bangalore.
Okay.
We would have shown you a live class, except that it's summer
now
right now.
yeah.
Now it's summer.
Yeah.
So my colleague Kalpana is going to show you.
Okay.
This is if students don't have, can be removed. Kalpana, please show.
You can show videos, you can also write using a pen.
So when she is talking about this, the teacher can pause, she can explain. Now suppose the teacher currently can teach only in one classroom. With this, you can have n number of classrooms present. We suggest that you keep it to about 4 classes to preserve the level of interactivity between the teacher and the student, right? Also, and you can see a bigger image, right? So this way there is a full interactivity. Now, imagine this as a cinema. Now, if you have something on the YouTube, you can bring in a YouTube video, you can show it. State education of ANM and GNM nurses. How is that going to happen? Government of Bihar is sponsoring it. The money is coming in from DFID of UK, right? Who is doing the training? It is JPEGO, which is an NGO of Johns Hopkins. So training of ASHA workers, you want to train
And it
people
doesn't
on
need
IMR, MMR, anything you
that
want.
was going to be my next question. What is bandwidth?
So we need today, okay. Now the beauty is that Cisco generally is a technology provider.
Yeah.
We sell something and we go away. Right? So it's very simple business model. One is a CapEx, second is an OpEx.
Sure.
CapEx is the equipment piece. Now for example, sir, this is in the classroom.
Yeah.
Normally in a virtual class, this combines a computer, a projector,
Okay, this is all.
everything into one.
Okay.
Okay, now this
Right.
hangs from the top.
Yeah.
So chori nahi hoga. Okay, normally the PC goes to somebody's house,
Yeah.
the LCD screen goes to somebody else's house,
Okay.
right? Now if you want, we can further secure it by putting it under lock and key. Right? That's all the possibility.
It can connect to 30 students.
Hmm.
Tomorrow, suppose you give your every child a tablet.
Tablet.
That
It
can
will
be
create
connected.
Wi-Fi. It will
This
create
is the
already-
Wi-Fi,
it's
sir.
already-
This is the
okay, it's
Wi-Fi.
already ready.
It's a local
It's
Wi-Fi.
already ready.
It's ready.
Amit, you
Okay.
want to show that? Okay, we'll just try to pull it up quickly, sir.
No, don't worry.
It's a
Don't
Wi-Fi
worry.
hotspot.
No, it's fine.
Students
No,
can learn. You can push lessons down to a student,
Yeah.
and the student can also respond back and get it onto you, sir.
Okay.
So it's very, very ruggedized, sir.
Excellent.
2
I'll
minutes
show
on
you
the
the
health
sir.
part.
2 minutes on the health, sir.
There will be a green dot. So just and then he gets all that data on the other side.
Okay.
And he also talks to the patient. Just can you get the dog?
Yeah.
That side?
So this is connecting to Gwalior right now, sir.
Okay.
So what we have done in Madhya Pradesh and Karnataka now, primary healthcare centers, CHCs, connected to the respective district hospital, connected to a specialty hospital in Bangalore.
Yes, sir.
Hi, Deepak.
So he's actually our operator.
Okay,
He's
actually,
operator
sorry.
on our side, but
Okay.
he's at the
The
Gwalior
CM is here.
location.
Okay, so just be on. When it actually works, that would be the doctor.
That would be the
That would
doctor.
Okay, so
And
then
our
the
own
doctor-
screen.
Okay. Then the doctor would communicate with the patient.
Patient, sir. Doctor communicates with the patient, so both of them, your problem of the...
Yeah, sure. Of course.
Trained
So
paramedic.
somebody has to operate.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now with this, what has happened is across 18 locations in MP and Karnataka, where CHC, PHC is connected to district hospital, connected to specialty locations, 15 months as Prakash said, 45,000 consultations. Sir. I have it completely listed out in detail, sir. Here. 45,000 consultations. When you compare this with other telemedicine pilots that have happened in the country,
Okay.
this probably by far is the most, I would say, successful.
Same we are planning to do.
और इसमें ला-
What is this?
This is a kiosk. So you install these in various CSCs and all the centers where citizens want to access the application and services.
So the same treatment centers
Sure. Yeah.
will turn into something like this. Okay, so they are one of our sponsors of this event. Good luck. Sir, this is the company which has been roped in for making the category with searchable database. And then we are going to scale this same thing up with the knowledge management.
All the best. So, that's it.